The City of Calgary shortly ago announced that they're going to spend over $6 billion over the next 6 years on infrastructure projects, and mainly between maintaining those infrastructure projects. So maintenance on existing infrastructure. And what I thought was really fascinating about that is because they're drawing that correlation between safety and maintenance, which sometimes comes up in the field or in our industry. We might present something that has a corrective action item to do with maintenance, and the stakeholder may ask us, well, what does maintenance have to do with safety? And our answer is a lot, because when something is not properly maintained or working in a safe in a safe fashion, it can often lead to issues, incidents, catastrophic incidents. So maintaining something, whether it's a small piece of equipment or a large piece of infrastructure, as we've seen in the City of Calgary recently, it can lead to catastrophic problems. So maintenance is very intrinsically connected to safety. Safety, maintenance, very, very similar. You can't have one without the other. So I'm super excited to hear that somebody large like that is being watched by many, many stakeholders, the public, many organizations, to invest so much money in maintenance is great, is such a good step, because it says, they're actually publicly drawing the correlation between safety and maintenance, which is great, because it shows all the organizations, all the people pay taxes, the taxpayers, all the smaller companies, that they are paying attention, that this is important, and they're going to put their money where their mouth is. So that's super exciting. And hopefully we're going to get some of this infrastructure upgraded. This is just one component of for us in the province of Alberta, but you can see this in organizations, associations, municipalities, everywhere, that maintenance is important, and it can, if properly done, if routinely done, can save lives.